Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic: how to send Shiba Inu, SHIB, from Binance to Revolut in 2025. With crypto getting more user-friendly every year, this process is straightforward, but it's crucial to get it right to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're building your investment portfolio or just moving assets around, I'll walk you through it step by step. First off, make sure you have verified accounts on both Binance and Revolut. Double-check that Revolut supports SHIB deposits. By 2025, it should be easier, but always confirm on their app. Also, ensure your SHIB is in your Binance Spot wallet and that you know the associated fees. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and head to the Wallet section. Select Spot Wallet to view your assets, then find your SHIB balance. Step 2. Click on Withdraw next to SHIB. You'll need to choose the correct network. SHIB typically uses ERC20 on the Ethereum blockchain. This is important to match what Revolut supports, so don't skip this. Step 3. Enter the recipient address. This will be your Revolut crypto wallet address for SHIB. Copy it carefully from the Revolut app to avoid any errors. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 4. Input the amount of SHIB you want to send. Review the transaction details, including fees, and hit Confirm. Binance will send a confirmation code to your email or phone for security. Step 5. Once confirmed, the transfer will process. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on it using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. After the transfer, open your Revolut app and check your crypto balance. If everything went smoothly, your SHIB should be there. Remember, always start with a small test amount if you're new to this. A few quick tips. Watch out for gas fees on the Ethereum network, they can add up. And never share your private keys or wallet details. If you run into issues, reach out to Binance or Revolut support. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, I've got you covered. See you next time.